melodrama. We kissed in a field of white, and stars fell on Alabama last night. I can't forget the glamour. Your eyes held a tender light, and stars fell on Alabama last night. I never planned in my imagination a situation so heavenly, a fairyland where no one else could enter, and in the center, just you and me, dear. My heart beat like a hammer.
I said, no, you gotta be kidding me.
My arms wound around you tight, and stars fell on
if the way she looks right now is any indication of how she's gonna
last night. I never planned in my imagination a situation so heavenly, a fairyland where no one else could enter, and in the center, just you and me, dear. My heart beat like a hammer. My arms wound around you
Songbird had a very good start, and both with her early on. These two out for the lead together, and North Dial way running in third, right behind them and tucking in about 2 lengths off the lead. And then it's Floridora to the out. They're all in line, and we're ready for the start.
Thank you very much. Oh, do you mind if I take these off? They're killing me. You know, that tune was requested by the Julius La Rosa fan club down in Mobile, Alabama. Now, that's what I call loyalty to your home state, huh? And that reminds me, I'd better be repeating Oklahoma Blues pretty soon, or my family won't talk to me down in Tulsa.